Hi, I'm Alyssa and today we'll be going over the Louis Vuitton Bumbag Mini. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe and stay updated with all my new uploads. This one here is in monogram canvas and it has a few vachetta leather accents on the sides and on the strap. This bag comes with two straps. It has a vachetta strap that is slightly adjustable, and you also have a metal chain that's in gold hardware. Let me go over all the features of this bag. First up, we have a small front pocket. It does zip, and you do have a little room in there. Then on the sides, you have a strap attachment that is with vachetta leather, and then along the front, you just have a main zip compartment. Here it just has the made in leather tab, and there's just one big pocket, no other pockets inside there. On the back, you just have a smooth canvas surface, no other pockets or anything there. Overall, it's a simple little bag, and it does have a few ways of styling it. First up, you have this leather strap. It does have a generous strap adjustment, so you have a lot of holes here depending on the length that you want it, and then two clips. The second option is a bit shorter, and this one does not adjust. It's the metal chain. So whichever way you style it, you only have one way of clipping it on. With this bag, you can have both straps attached if you want to have the option to quickly change between them. Or you can just use the gold chain as a decoration, while this one would be the functioning one that you would use to actually hold it onto your body. One thing to note about this bag is that the zipper is a little bit tough to close. You do kind of have to hold it a certain way. To close it, you kind of have to hold it and grab it to keep it in line. The inside of this bag has a microfiber material, and on this leather strap, it has a holder. However, this holder is not movable, so depending on where you adjust the hole, it can be helpful or not. For example, here I have it on the shortest setting, and it does hold the excess. However, there is some extra room there. You're unable to slide it down to keep this part stabilized. Let's take a look and see what can fit inside. First up, I'll put my phone in the main compartment. My phone fits perfectly. I feel like the larger iPhone might not fit as well. Then we can see if some sunglasses fit. They actually do fit with the case, however, it does take up most of the room. Let me put in a small wallet, and then a lip balm, and my keys. That's pretty much full for the main compartment. Can probably fit in a little lotion as well. It is easier to zip closed when you have stuff inside. In this front pocket, I can put a hair tie. You could put very small items in here, and then you can put a lip balm. That fits really good in there. Now let's take a look at it on and see all the different ways you can style it. With the shortest setting on the leather attachment, this is how the bag looks as an actual belt bag. I'm a size 24 jean, and it is slightly too big. I would either have to add a few more holes to the leather strap or just wear a different way. You can see it just is too loose for me. Close-up view and some measurements. Bumbag Mini with me. If you have any other questions, leave them down below and I'll try my best to answer. Other than that, thank you so much and I'll see you on the next one.